Is the Hulugan Falls in Luisiana Laguna worth the visit? If so, how does one get there? The answers to these questions are in this episode of LexGo. Welcome to LexGo. My name is Lex and I'm passionate about traveling. That's why I want to make traveling more simple for you. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. The Hulugan Falls of Luisiana Laguna is one of the fast-rising destinations for many travelers in the Philippines. Personally, I find its beauty at par with Kawasan Falls of Cebu and the Sagada Big Falls in Mountain Province. So yes, if you ask me, is Hulugan Falls worth the visit? My answer? Definitely. So let me guide you on how to get there and what to expect on your trip. And before this video ends, I will give you a quick summary of expenses, which is very important for many budget travelers. But for now, here's how we got there.
Hello everyone, my name is Darrell and I organized this trip, the Hulugan trip.
Barangay San Salvador is the jumping point to Hulugan Falls. Once you arrive in Barangay San Salvador, ask for the house of the barangay captain, and that is where you will register. You have the option to visit two other smaller falls before Hulugan Falls. But my honest opinion, I don't feel the need to see those two other falls. I would rather go straight to Hulugan Falls and spend more time in there. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to LexGo.
Let's stay here.